Hola, buenos días, bienvenido a mi canal Unique Spanish Class. Dear friends, today's video is very short, and in this video you will be listening to some important question answers, very often used, so you have to learn and you have to use also, especially at the time when you find it necessary. So I hope you will be listening very carefully to the phrases in a question answer pattern. So Spanish is very easy language, so try to learn all the phrases very easily, not in a tough, difficult manner. So accordingly I am making my video, so that in every video all the things, whatever it is, you will find it easy to keep in mind and to understand. So let's get started. The first one, suppose you are in a shopping mall or in a market, you are asking the price of a thing. How to ask in Spanish? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? It means you are asking the price of the thing you are buying. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Number two, after hearing the price, you think it's very high. So you can say in Spanish, parece muy caro. Parece muy caro. It seems very costly. Parece muy caro. Then another related phrase automatically come in situation. That is, you can ask, is there discount? How to ask in Spanish? Is there discount? So you have to ask like this: ¿Hay descuento? ¿Hay descuento? Or ¿Dan descuento? Are you giving discount? ¿Dan descuento? Number four, at the time of purchasing the thing, you can ask, how can I pay? ¿Cómo se paga? ¿Cómo se paga? Or ¿cómo puedo pagar? ¿Cómo puedo pagar? Next, as an answer from the salesman, you can be given the answer, you can hear this kind of phrases. So it can be paid by check or by card. So se puede pagar por cheque o tarjeta de credito. Se puede pagar por cheque or tarjeta de credito. Means it can be paid by check or by credit card. Then automatically another question, just not to make the phrase very bigger, I am making the phrase and the expression little shorter than normal. Against hearing the card and check, so you can ask, can't it be paid in cash? No se puede pagar al contado. No se puede pagar al contado. It means, can't it be paid in cash? In form of answer also, you can hear, yes, it can be paid in cash also. So then the salesman, suppose, will give the answer in Spanish like this as, sí, se puede pagar al contado. Sí, yes, se puede pagar al contado. It can be paid in cash. Okay, so that's it for now. I think all these phrases you have understood very well, and you probably are thinking that these are important phrases. You may fall in such situation when you have to hear and you have to use this kind of phrases. So I hope you will be practicing from today itself based on the situation and requirement. So eso es para hoy. Hasta el próximo video. Chao.